What's up, guys? My name is Fred and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna share with you how you can pass that call center training. Alright, and make sure to watch this video up until the end because I'll be giving you 3 powerful tips to make sure that you pass that call center training. Okay, so let's go. Alright, so before we start, let me inform you or let me share with you. Let me tell you that the call center training is usually composed of 3 stages. Alright, so they have 3 stages. So let's talk about the first one. The first one is usually the communications training. Others call it as language and call center basics. Okay, so what do you usually do there? During that stage of the training, basically it's more about communications, grammar, call flow, so all the basics about the call center. Terminologies as well, sometimes they are including that on that stage of the training. Most part of it will be a refresher for you. Okay, and how are you gonna communicate with your customer? What are the terms that they're using? What are the terms that the customer are using? Power words, expressions, all of those kind of stuff. So that's the first one. Okay, and then the second one is the product specifics training. Alright, or product knowledge. Once you get into the call center industry, or for example, a call center company, there are usually several departments there. Okay, so some have telesales, others have customer service, others have collections. So on this product specific training, they will tell you which specific department or which specific type of product you're going to be handling. So let's say you'll be working for a telecommunications company. What are the rules and regulations of that telecommunications company? What are the products that they are selling? About the company, what is the company for? Okay, so basically it's all about the product that you're gonna be handling, you're gonna be dealing with. Alright, and then the third one is the nesting part or the shadowing part. Okay, so what's happening with on that stage? So what you will usually do is you will be allowed to go inside the production floor. You'll be observing agents taking in calls. Usually you will be given a pair of headset, we call it as a Y jack, and then you will side barge. Meaning to say you're gonna be listening to the agent while they are taking call live. So that's shadowing. And then nesting part is you will also be given a chance to do it on your own way or on your calls. Alright, so that's the nesting part. Includes hot seats. On this part, you're gonna be doing a mock call. So a mock call is as if already taking in live calls. Alright, the reason for this is so that before they send you to a live call, you will have a chance, an opportunity to hear other people's opinion. You will also have a chance to experience how it feels. I will not go to the specifics of the training because it does varies for each and every account, each and every line of businesses. This latter part, I'm just gonna share with you the 3 powerful steps that I'm talking about. I have applied this on all of the call center that I have worked for, and even when I'm taking in calls already, this is what I usually apply. So let's go for the first one. The first one that you should take in consideration of is, of course, take care of yourself. Alright, so why did I say that?
But why? Why would you do that? Why would you do any of that?
Because you are going to be working for a call center now, and basically what's going to happen is, for example, here in the Philippines, we are catering and we are assisting customers in the United States. The time frame is different, so most often than not, you're going to be working on a graveyard shift. So you have to make sure that after the training, you take enough rest. I know it's gonna be hard at first, alright? On the first few days, few weeks, it's gonna be very hard for you. But you need to inform your family member that, hey, I'll be sleeping during this time. Please keep it low, keep it cool, alright? So that I can get enough rest because I have a training later tonight. Okay, so what else? You need to eat healthy food so that you will have enough energy for the training, because it's hard to absorb every information, okay, that you'll be gonna be getting during the training on an empty stomach. Okay, so make sure that you eat enough food. All right, you can drink other things that will make you awake, or other drinks that will make you awake. To keep you awake during the training. Okay, and then yeah, basically take care of yourself. There's gonna be a lot of things that will be taught to you during the training, but absorb everything that you can. Okay, you don't have to memorize it, you just have to familiarize yourself. Your tools are always there to assist you and search for the things that you're not familiar with. Okay, don't bother too much on memorizing this stuff that you're gonna be learning from training. Yeah, just don't pressure yourself. Okay, don't pressure yourself too much. All right, so number 2 tip that I can give you is ask questions. If it's not clear, make sure to raise your hand. Ask question. Don't pretend that you know it. If it's not clear, make sure that you ask. I would suggest that you ask from your trainer. Here's the thing, if you're gonna be asking from your new friends or the other people in the training or doing the training, basically just starting at the same time, you might encounter some trainees, part of your batch or your batchmate, that have experience already. But this is another line of business. This might be a new account for that person. So make sure to ask your trainer if there is something that is not clear. Alright, could it be product specifics or even in communication? It's okay to ask. Alright, it's okay. It's so okay.
Okay.
It's better than pretending that you know and then you don't know it. Alright, so that's the worst thing that could ever happen. Don't be afraid, don't be shy. I'm planning to create another video for that, so that you'll have a good relationship with your trainer, with your boss, with your supervisor, with your team lead, with your manager, any other people that you'll be working at the call center. I'm gonna do another video for that, so let's keep that aside for the meantime. Let's focus on this training. Alright, so where were we? Ask questions, very important. I can't stress this enough. Ask questions if you don't know. It applies to everything. There are no stupid questions. Alright, always remember that. There are no stupid questions. Okay, and then lastly but not the least, and this is the most effective one. Alright, this is the most effective one that I have used since I started the call center. I got promoted. Still the same strategy that I've been using. Are you guys excited already about this step? This is very powerful. So if you want me to share it with you, go ahead and click that like button over there. Click on subscribe. Okay, ring that bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. Go ahead and do that. I'll give you enough time to do that. Alright, so are you done? If you're done, then this is the number 1, the powerful one, is master the call flow. You master the call flow. Everything is gonna be there. What is the good thing about mastering the call flow?
What is it?
This is gonna be the structure of your call. So usually a call starts by a greeting, alright, or an opening. Hi, thank you for calling. My name is Fred. How can I help you? So that's the part. And then the customer will tell the concern, oh, I'm sorry to hear about that. Oh, let me help you with your concern for today. Oh, let me help you on fixing your bill. Oh, let me help you on troubleshooting your phone. So that's the acknowledgement part. Alright, again guys, don't follow my own, these are just example, don't follow it, okay? You'll have a different call flow during the training and it will be taught to you during the communications training part. Alright, or the basic call center basics or specifics. Alright, language training, it will be taught to you. So make sure that, again, this is one strategy. Take down notes. Make sure that you have a pen and a paper or a notebook. Alright, make sure that you have those. Why? Because this is another trivia for you, a free trivia. Okay, you see I have a trivia. Trivia is you are much better to remember things if you write it down. Alright, you don't have to write everything, just take note of those important details, important words that will remind you. Alright, because as far as I remember, during the mock calls and the trainings, nesting part, when you are practicing, or even if you're gonna be handling live calls on the first few weeks, few days, you're allowed to take your notes with you. So it's a good thing that you have your notes with you right in front of you. Okay, I remember this. There you go. So you have something, or you have a reference to start with. That's just a sample reading, acknowledgement, and then you do your stuff. You search your tools. Again, these tools will be introduced to you as well during the products and specifics training, the tools that you're gonna be using. So you are on that part. So you will have a follow-up questions. It's usually you usually say, would there be anything else that I can help you with? All right, and then close the call. All right, thank you so much for calling. My name is Fred, and it's my pleasure assisting you. I would suggest that you master the call flow, even the words that you're gonna be saying, the questions that you're gonna be asking. Go ahead and put it there. All right. So there are some call centers that will say, we don't need script, we don't need call flow. It's a good thing if you're already have experience in the call center industry. That's a good thing. You can go freestyle. But if you're just starting, it's very, very important for you to have a script, for you to have a guide, for you to have a basis, for you to have a structure. All right, let's just put it this way. If you are to go someplace that you have never been, you're gonna need a map, Google Maps, all right, Waze, whatever you call it. So that is how it works with your training as well in a call center. For you to pass it, make sure you have a map or you have a guide, and that is your call flow. Okay, so again, if you like this video, make sure to like, share. If you have questions, if there's something that you want to say, topics that you want me to discuss to you about call center, go ahead and comment down below. All right, and make sure to click on subscribe and ring that bell. All right, so once again, this is Fred. I am so happy that you already made it this far in the call center, but you can still go a long way and you can build up a career in the call center. Alright guys, so before I forgot, just a quick shout out. Ryan Patricio, Roeldi Asis, alright, and Celsa Ramos as well. Shout out to you. To all my new friends that I've meet from doing this YouTube journey. All right, so thank you so much to all of you. So many to mention, but these people especially requested. Shout out to Raniel Flores, Ablenda's World. All right, Call Center Ninjas. I've been watching your video. All right, and I'm still learning. Okay, and Joe Pardy, I'm also watching your video. So shout out to you. Paano Matuto Mag 101. I'm sorry, it's Paano Matuto Mag English 101 channel. Alright, so shout out to you. Thank you for the comments, the message. You're such a wonderful person. And of course, to our mentor, to the people who's always giving us advices. All right, so to Brotherhoods, shout out to you. And that's all for now, guys. See you on my next video. Okay, this is it. This is for real. Bye for now.